Good morning everyone. Today we will be knowing about Italy and its education and lifestyle. We have on board our director ma'am, Mrs. Ajanta Sinha Roy, our general manager Sutapa Roy and our team manager Sonali Sarkar. Over to them.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to speak about Italy and its education. So you all must be thinking, how can you relate Italy with education? Yeah, whenever we think of Italy, we recollect their culture, their traditions, and mainly the cuisine. Whenever we think of Italy, what comes in our mind? Pizzas, pastas, different cheeses which you can find in Italy, the sauces, and also art and culture wise also Italy is very rich. The first opera singing started in Italy, so it has a very old and rich culture, and with that their education is also a very high level. The public universities of Italy, they have US ranking, Politecnico di Milano, to name it, everybody knows it's there. But other than Politecnico di Milano, there are many other universities of Italy which are of very high ranking, like Sapienza. Then our students went this time to which
Toledo also,
yeah.
Tor Vergata. We have many colleges.
So many universities. And the best part is the education becomes free. Education is not free. We cannot call that education is free. There are both types of education, like paid and free. But the paid education also, which students only know about the free education. Let me tell a little bit of the paid education also. Paid education is also very reasonable. Annual fees is maybe 2,000 or 3,000 euro, which is hardly anything. When I think the students actually should go for the paid education because they are getting very high ranking public universities, and on top of that the fees is also so less because their visa chances are more when they're going for the paid education, because the embassy nowadays is very particular for this other cases because the fund is very much required. We will come into the discussion, but there is a free education in Italy for what we have to pick up today's topic, and the fund is given by the NGOs of Italy, not the university. The university doesn't give any scholarship, to be very specific. Like in Germany, the education is free from the university. But Italy, it's not the case. Because already their tuition fees is so less. So education is not free. It is given by the NGOs. How it is done, that we will help you. Because this year I had so many students that they have done everything, but they did not know how to get the scholarship. So that is where you actually require a professional help. It's not so easy. And otherwise everybody could have gone for it. So that is the best part, and on top of that you have a stipend. That is a scholarship is given by the NGOs. The government gives you a stipend. The stipend is almost approximately 4 lakhs, little less than 5 lakhs. Yeah, so little less than, I think now whatever is the euro rate, it is more than 4 lakhs. Because if you count it as 80, then it comes to almost nearly 4 lakhs plus. So it is now more than 80. So that is one best part. It's like you don't need to search a part-time job or anything. But you can do part-time job because university allows you to do part-time job. So you have part-time job, you have stipend, you have free education. On top of that, your accommodation is also free. If you go amongst the first few, I don't know the number exactly, but accommodation subsidy is also there. Though everybody doesn't get it, it is on the first come first serve basis. But if you are lucky, you are also get a free accommodation. So what else do you require? So now I will, Sutapa and Sonali has sent students this year to Italy. So I will just let them tell you what they did for the students. Yeah. So I will talk to Sonali now.
Good morning everybody. So I'm Sonali, I'm the team manager here. So yeah, I very much agree with ma'am ki Italy is giving so much opportunity regarding scholarship and accommodation, stipend. So
nothing more is required for the students, okay, for the meritorious students and all. Definitely, for the academic, they are looking for the academic performance, yeah, but it must be within 65%, then only we can do the admission for there. And every programs are available there: engineering, business, means medicines, means
Germany doesn't allow the management program. And Germany there is a requirement of 75% and above. So these are not required.
These are all not required in Italy, and definitely you can go for varieties of programs in Italy, that I can tell you, with a minimal number. I will request you to come to us to know more about the academic admissions and everything. And the main part is to go there with a proper visa. So I will just request my General Manager, Mr. Uttapa Roy, to convey all the messages regarding visa. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Shunali. I'm coming direct to the visa part. The visa part is the most delicate part in entire process. Once the student is accepted, getting the offer letter, after that the visa process starts. So visa process, we help the student in each and every point, like the accumulating the documents, starting from the academic, the financial documents, the scholarship documents, which is the most important documents which is done from us. Because if the scholarship documents is not done properly, the student is not able to get the scholarship. So the documentations regarding the scholarship is the main thing in this entire process. So everything we are helping the student by giving the sample documents, how to make the scholarship documents and all. And at the time of show money, there is a huge amount of money which you need to show at the time of visa in the bank account of the parents. So that amount, what is the amount and all, everything we will be guiding the students regarding this. So the entire visa process we will be handling, including the scholarship process, and the rest of the things like academics, so that part Shunali told. So once everything is done, the last part, the DOV and all, that is also very important one, that also we are going to guide the students. So after doing everything, the students once get the visa can fly over there, in which his scholarship comes, under the scholarship he gets the free education and the accommodation also he is getting. And the third thing is the main important thing, that is the stipend the government is giving, which comes under the scholarship pattern. This is the entire visa process. Thank you.
So everything can be done actually absolutely free.
Yeah, entire.
Okay. And let me tell that then what is our benefit. Of course, this is a free education, so we do ask for a service charge, which is
very nominal.
Because to do all this work, we require a service charge, so that is very nominal. So that's it. So to know more about it, you can go to the description box and find our website link and register. There is a button for registering. You register and come into our Zoom session, virtual sessions, which are organized every week, where we will completely guide you about the studying free in Italy. Thank you.